We're making my wife breakfast in bed with one arm. She just ate, so she needs to be elevated. Also, I like to hold my baby. You're not gonna help, are you? Warming up? Let's go. Nice. Bro. Careful. Boy, become men. Who's doing this? She's been show the whole time. April 29, we're hella straight. We're hella straight. These are brand new. Just got a text saying she's starving. Nice. I had no idea she was sleeping. Next one. I am not good at that. Oops. My arm is exhausted. Passed out. Still got it. I'm dripping sweat. Come on. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Come on. Efficient? No. 3 times as long? Yes.